Are we on?
Go ahead, Eric.
Okay.
Look at this camera over here.
All right. Thank you for joining us tonight at the Brookdale Bluegrass Hour here in Boulder Creek at Scopazzi's for the winter Brookdale Bluegrass.com festival. This is an NCBS sponsored event, and we have for you tonight, today, all the way from Modesto, Rainy Escobar.
Thank you. I'd like to introduce the rest of my group. This is Michael Schwartz. We only got together and played this morning. He's a wonderful guitar player. I got Bill Smart here. He's a wonderful bass player. He came from Modesto, too. And this is my best friend, Susan Morley, who had an accident with her finger. She normally would play guitar, but now she's just going to sing. And I think you're going to like it.
Yeah.
I'm satisfied with you. La-da-dee-ba-ba-da-dow, la-da-dee-do-do, la-da-dee-da-ba-da-bow, hey, hey. You don't dress up in satin, you don't wear diamond rings, but I'm satisfied with you. You look just like an angel, but you haven't got wings, and I'm satisfied with you. Just the way that you are, than trade you for somebody new. Oh, maybe I could do better if I reached for a star, but I'm satisfied with you. But I'm satisfied with you. You look just like a cowboy, but you've got no horse to ride. And I'm satisfied with you. Sometimes I think this is all a mistake, and I just can't believe that it's true. Oh, if I'm only dreaming, then I hope I never wake. Satisfied with you.